Hey everyone, James Wolfe here, and today is another episode. This is a pretty exciting one. We've got a new model that was launched by Meta called SAM3. It is a image and video generative type model where you can actually segment anything from an image, segment anything from a video, as you can see with this little demo here. What I'm going to show you that is, I think, the coolest feature about SAM3 is that you can generate a very detailed 3D model out of a 2D image. So that's what we're going to do in today's episode. I'm going to show you how this works, and you're going to actually be able to put this thing to work immediately to help boost the sales this holiday season for your e-commerce shop. So let's get into it.
Welcome to Learn AI with James. Learn AI skills and build your future.
So what you do is you go to this website. It's called aidemos.meta.com. And one of their main capabilities that they've launched here is called Segment. Now you can toggle to this playground tab, or you can click try it. And what it does is it brings you to this area where you've got a few different options. SAM3 will allow you to do all kinds of really cool stuff, both with images and videos. And it's just in time here for the holiday season. We've got Black Friday, Cyber Monday here coming up this week. And you potentially have a little bit more time on your hands to do some experimentation. So I highly suggest you try it out. All right, what we're going to show you now is how to create 3D scenes from a 2D image. So you click on this, 3D scenes. You want to go here to this screen, and all you do is you upload an image. I actually grabbed an image from Grok. That's this image of this lovely woman here sitting with a red leather handbag. And the idea here is that if we're an e-commerce shop and we've got this this photo lying around from a photo shoot, we want to just go ahead and take the handbag out of this and turn it into a 3D model. It's actually quite simple. So you download the image, you have it saved somewhere, and then you go to this tool. It is the 3D model tool from SAM3. You want to click upload. We're going to find this picture that I called it Messy Lifestyles. It's got a messy background. So here's our image. It's now uploaded into SAM3. We're going to just simply click on the handbag. Okay, now you get to edit your object, and then you generate it when it's ready. Now you can see once I clicked on the handbag, it actually outlined it. Now all you do is you click Generate 3D. Wow, look at that. That is really something, huh? Look at the detail. Wow. Imagine what you can do with this. So now that you have your 3D model generated, you can add more effects to it. You've got all kinds of different 3D effects. Some may be more valuable than others. We can do environmental. Some crazy things here. We can add a background. Now here's what's really cool. Once you have this 3D model here set up, again, this just came from a 2D image. How crazy is that? And look at how nice and detailed this is. So what you can do next is you can go up here to where it says share. Click share. It's going to actually export the video. Give it a few minutes here while it processes it. Okay, now it takes you to this screen where you've got a few different options. And if you want to get the actual 3D model, you can download it. And look at how incredibly detailed this is. I mean, wow. So now we have this 3D model that was generated in extreme detail from a 2D image. That is somewhat mind-blowing. Now, of course, you could use that model in pretty much anything. You know, if you're an e-commerce shop, obviously you can use it. But let's say you're coming out with a new prototype, you sketch up some new prototypes, and you just want to create a quick 3D model. This is a pretty good way to do it. Super fast, that's for sure. And also keep in mind that this is just a playground. It's just like a demo environment that Meta has set up. But if you like, you can download this model, SAM3, you can run it on your own host, and you can create a whole app around it. That's the beauty of open source technology. Definitely you can take your e-commerce game to the next level.